The electric field intensity is the force per unit charge when charge is placed where in electric field. So that's why E equal to F by Q and limit Q tends to 0 means Q is not exactly 0 but tends to 0. In case of multiple charges, charge experienced by the that force experienced by the charge Q. Okay, when charge is available in the electric field, that's why this is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation K1 to N. And this QK is the force, the charge which is going to apply the force. Okay, that is R minus RK is the position vector here again. R is the position vector of this charge Q, which is going to experience the force, and minus RK is the position vector of the particular charge, and denominator is R minus RK Q. Since we have F value is what we have, Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So this is divided by Q. So that's why we are not getting the Q here. Only one charge is available in the numerator.